Organic acids and their sources. The acids which are derived from plant sources are called organic acids. Let's see examples. Citric acid, which is present in orange, which is used for food preservation. Malic acid, which is present in apple, which is used in fruits and vegetable juices to improve their sweetness. Acetic acid, which is present in vinegar, which is used in cooking. Lactic acid, which is present in curd, used in skincare, food industries, and pharmaceuticals. Butanoic acid, which is present in butter, helps in food industries. Oxalic acid, which is present in tomato, used in ink stain. Hydrochloric acid, which is present in gastric juice, helps in digestion. Tannic acid, present in tea, used in diarrhea and cold sores. Formic acid, present in red ant, used as an antidote. Oleic acid, present in olive oil, helps to prevent anemia. Tartaric acid, present in tamarind, helps in food industries. Lactic acid, present in milk, which helps in fermentation of the milk. Thank you.